am with the Everest. Do, 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 do. Me up to the
There, get that paper off first.
Yeah.
All the paper's got to come off. There, hang on. Hold it. You hold it. We got to get rid of this stuff. Amy wrapped it pretty good. All right, keep holding that box. There you go. Now you can open her up. Let's see how much money's in there.
Not a damn thing.
No money.
Is it a rock?
It's a little bird.
They're finger warmers.
Huh?
They're finger warmers. Slip your finger in there.
The bird one works the
Oh,
best.
bird one? All right, let's do the bird.
Then you can give him the bird, Theresa.
Oh, right there, yeah. Put your finger right in there, yeah. Slip it right up the bird's behind. Get it in there. There, now you got a little puppet show.
Let's see,
Let's see,
Theresa.
hold it up to Amy. Quack, 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 quack.
What do I do?
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Nothing, it's just a little bird. You
Teresa,
just
give me the bird.
Give me
Like
the
the
bird.